Welcome back to another video, and for today's video we're going to be going into the top story as to whether or not TikTok will be banned and removed off of your phone. There's a lot of videos and articles swirling the internet right now, and I just want to be straight up with you in a probably less than 5-minute video with a clear-cut answer as to whether or not it will be removed off your phone. The simple answer, no, not right now. The long answer, yes, it could be in the future. Let's dive into it right here, right now with information. Starting last Wednesday, President Biden signed a legislation that gives the company ByteDance, that currently owns TikTok, a year to figure out what to do with the app itself. So after it being signed and approved and everything from the president's side and from our government, the company ByteDance now has a year to figure out what they're going to do with TikTok itself. Now, there's a couple different options, right? Currently, it is owned by ByteDance, which is a Chinese company, and that's the whole scarce as to them taking our information and a lot of exposure to China with our information, with sensitive data, local location information, all that types of stuff, which is highly possible. So what we're going into now is the period where ByteDance is going to figure out, okay, are we going to sell it to potentially a US company so that it at least still sticks around, so there's a possibility that TikTok will still stay on your phone, and ByteDance can make a hell of a lot of money selling it to another company such as a US company, or they could completely say, you know what, screw this, we're gonna milk the rest of this year and then get rid of the application and remove it from all of our devices, and it will no longer be used. But looking at what TikTok has done in the past, what other countries have done with TikTok rather, is, you know, the countries like India, they banned it back in 2020, and a lot of other countries, it looks like Britain, Australia, Canada, the European Union, France, a whole bunch of areas have banned it from official devices. So this is 100% possible, and that's why a lot of people are moving their content to different platforms such as YouTube, such as Twitch, a lot of different platforms that are going to allow for growth, and safer growth at least, for the future, because there's no real yes or no answer as to whether or not it's going to be banned and removed. Now, no, it's not going to be removed off your phone tomorrow, but looking ahead 8, 10, even 12 months ahead, yes, there is a very, very high possibility that this could be banned from your phone, and that will, you know, cause a lot of problems with influencers here in the US. What's that going to mean for them? What's that going to mean for the future for creating content? Is there going to be another TikTok copycat, if you will, that's going to create another platform similar to that? There's a lot of things swirling around right now, and if that were the case, that it was to be banned, what would happen with all the current content creators? What platform would they go to? So it's obviously, there's a lot going on with it right now, but short answer is yes, or short answer rather is no, it is not going to be banned tomorrow or anytime soon. But long answer, looking to future and looking ahead with this, yes, there is a very, very strong possibility that it could be banned, removed, or switched with users of who actually owns the application. So definitely looking forward, is something to think about, especially if you create content, make money, and do stuff like that on the application. So definitely looking ahead. Hey, if you're a developer of some sort, or interested, or know any type of new platform you're looking to create, now might be the opportunity that, you know, if TikTok, the biggest platform right now, takes a fall or gets removed, there's a lot of opportunity for growth for others to step in and take that #1 spot. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.